Why unmarried women seem irritable. You might have noticed a pattern, perhaps in a friend, a family member, or even yourself. That tendency for some unmarried women to seem, well, a little more on edge or irritable than their married counterparts. It's a stereotype, sure, but why does this perception exist? Is it real? And if so, what's actually driving it? We're diving into the science of societal pressure, stress, and modern life to uncover the real reasons behind that irritability and what we can all do to manage it. First, let's get one thing straight. Irritability is a symptom, not a personality trait. The root cause is almost never the lack of a spouse. In the Western context, especially as women delay marriage, the irritability often stems from a few key stressors that hit single women particularly hard. The three biggest drivers are 1. The single tax and financial strain. Research shows that single women, especially those living alone, face significantly higher costs of living compared to married couples who benefit from shared housing, shared cars, and shared utilities. They carry the full financial burden for major life expenses, which is a constant, low-grade source of stress. 2. The unshared mental load. Married people, for all their issues, typically have someone to share the emotional and logistical labor of life, scheduling appointments, remembering birthdays, dealing with repairs. For the unmarried woman, she is the sole CEO of her entire life. Her finances, her household, her career, her social calendar. This constant, unshared cognitive burden leads to burnout, and burnout manifests as irritability. 3. Societal pressure and the ticking clock. Even in modern society, there's a powerful narrative that a woman is incomplete until she finds a partner. This isn't just a personal feeling. It comes from family, friends, and pop culture. This constant questioning and subtle judgment about her personal life creates anxiety, fear of missing out, and an underlying sense of, I'm not where I should be. That feeling is a fast track to being perpetually stressed and, yes, irritable. When we are under chronic stress from these factors, our bodies release high levels of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High cortisol doesn't just make you stressed, it actually makes your brain less effective at regulating mood and processing frustrating events. In short, all those pressures combine to create a legitimate biological reason why the same small annoyance, like a delayed train or a rude email, might lead to a bigger, more irritable reaction. So, what's the solution? We need to address the stressors and not the symptom. If you are this woman, prioritize radical self-care that goes beyond a bubble bath. That means aggressively protecting your energy, learning to delegate or outsource tasks where you can afford it, and setting fierce boundaries with people who ask invasive questions about your dating life. Most importantly, practice self-compassion. Your life is hard. It's okay to feel stressed. If you know this woman, stop asking about her love life. Instead of saying, "Why are you still single?" try, "How can I support you?" Offer practical help, like making her a meal or running an errand. Recognize that her independence isn't a badge of honor, it's often a source of exhaustion. Ultimately, the perceived irritability of single women is often just the visible exhaustion of carrying a full life, completely solo, in a society that still feels designed for couples. Let's aim to remove the stress, not shame the reaction. What's the one thing that causes you the most stress as a single person? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.